Samsung may be working on one of the biggest changes to its internet browser in years. Even though One UI 8.5 is still being tested, early leaks of One UI 9 have already started appearing. And based on the latest information, the Samsung internet browser could look and feel very different when it launches with Android 17. The biggest change seems to be customization. According to the leak, One UI 9 will allow users to choose how menus and navigation elements are displayed inside Samsung Internet. There are reportedly 3 layout options: standard, bottom, and compact. The standard layout keeps the classic look that most users are already familiar with. It places the address bar and controls in their usual positions, offering a traditional browsing experience. The bottom layout is designed for one-handed use. This is especially helpful on large Galaxy phones, where reaching the top of the screen can feel uncomfortable. By moving key controls closer to your thumb, Samsung is making browsing easier and more practical for everyday use. The most interesting option, however, is the new compact layout. The compact mode introduces a floating search bar. Instead of staying fixed in one place, the search bar appears and disappears depending on how you scroll. When you scroll up, the bar fades in. When you scroll down, it fades out. This creates a cleaner and more immersive browsing experience because the screen focuses more on content and less on interface elements. The fade-in and fade-out animations also make the browser feel smoother and more modern. It gives Samsung Internet a fresh look that feels more dynamic compared to its current design. But while the layout changes are exciting, they are not the biggest highlight. The real game changer could be a new feature called Ask AI. Reports suggest that One UI 9 may introduce an Ask AI button directly inside the Samsung Internet browser. This button could completely change how users interact with web content. Samsung has reportedly been working closely with Perplexity AI to upgrade Bixby into a more advanced assistant. If this partnership extends into the browser, the Ask AI feature may be powered by Perplexity AI. Why does that matter? Perplexity AI is not just another chatbot. It is designed to give contextual answers based on what you are currently reading. Instead of sending you to another page or giving you a long, unrelated explanation, it focuses on the content in front of you. Imagine reading a long article and not understanding a specific part. Instead of opening a new tab and searching manually, you tap Ask AI. The browser then gives you a clear explanation based on the page you are already viewing. You stay on the same page, but you get the help you need instantly. This changes the role of the browser. Traditionally, a browser is just a tool that lets you access websites. You search, click links, and move between pages. But with Ask AI built in, the browser becomes more like an intelligent assistant. It helps you understand information instead of simply displaying it. If Samsung executes this well, Samsung Internet could become much more than an alternative to Google Chrome. It could turn into a smart research tool, a study helper, or even a productivity assistant. Of course, it is still early. These are leaked images and reports. There is no official confirmation yet that everything will launch exactly as shown. But if Samsung follows its usual pattern, One UI 9 could debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8. If that happens, we may see a major shift in how Galaxy users browse the web. Personally, the most exciting part is the Ask AI button. Layout changes are great, floating search bars are nice, but built-in contextual AI has the potential to change daily usage habits. Instead of browsing being a passive activity, it becomes interactive. You do not just read information, you talk to it, you question it, you get explanations in real time. If One UI 9 delivers on these promises, Samsung Internet may stop being just another browser and start becoming something much smarter.